Hey you gentlemen, do you want to get longer? You want to get bigger down there? Then this recipe is for you. We'll be needing our garlic. Garlic has been known to help boost immune system, helps reduce our blood pressure. It also helps to reduce cholesterol. It has antibiotics. So in most of our mixtures we are using garlic. Garlic is very essential when it comes to down below treatments. All right, so we'll be making use of garlic. Get your garlic and grate your garlic, turn it to a paste. All right. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the secret ingredients we use to keep our women. You know, women will say this guy is hot. So after grating your garlic, put it in your cup or your plate, and then you take out the juice of your lemon. Lemon supports heart health. It also helps to control weight. Lemon has been known to help control or take care of kidney stones. So this is not just to help you perform well in the other room, it also helps your general health. So when you are done with the removing of the juice of the lemon, you turn it with your garlic. Then you will add a little bit of coffee, a teaspoon of coffee. Then you mix it. Coffee has been known to help with heart failure. It helps to reduce aging process. Coffee is generally healthy for you. So when you are done mixing your coffee, your garlic, and your lemon juice, you will add hot water, right? Add hot water in the cup or on the plate, and then you will add the mixture to the hot water, as you can see we're doing in the video. You add the mixture to the hot water. Make sure the water is hot, not cold water. Hot water, it must be hot. And then you cover it for about 20 minutes. Yes, you leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it has settled, as you can see. All right, then you get another cup, then you will sieve it. You will sieve it exactly as we're doing now. You sieve it so that we will have the liquid different from the chaff, and then you will add a teaspoon of natural honey to increase power and stamina. Then you mix well. Honey has been known to give power and stamina. That is it for that. Drink this healthy 30 minutes before you do any job, and you will thank me later.